take her away in a minute here and weigh her.
We're gonna have so much fun.
Because, you know, that's everyone's first question. How much
Yes,
does
we
the
are.
baby weigh? Like it matters,
Thank you.
but they all want to know that.
Oh. I know, I just want to look at you. I know, you're so gooey.
You're so gooey.
I know.
She's a little cheesy, but not bad. She's a little
So
cheesehead.
gross.
What time, Carrie?
1714.
But don't let her be a Packer fan.
No.
It's a girl.
Hi.
Alexa Marie, is that it?
Yes.
That's your girly name.
She's
What
a
is it?
girly girl.
Alexa Marie.
Alexa, Mommy.
Oh. Oh.
And then get clean
That was pretty fun, huh? That was easy.
Easy, huh?
Yeah.
This is gonna be horrible.
Mommy didn't even turn into the Exorcist once.
No?
No.
Oh, you
See, I told you.
You did a good job. I deserve a big sucker.
A big sucker.
I deserve a big sucker.
I had to go to the bathroom, there, but I had lots of needs today.
Well, she's grateful you made it.
Yes, thank you.
Oh, sweetheart.
Thank you, everybody.
We'll do this again in about 5 years. We also give these great free massages. You'll hate them.
Oh, oh. Oh, what are they doing to Mommy?
What?
They're all written on